So we've been using the Nutrafol for over 5 months now. And on the Nutrafol website, it says that you can get a free hair analysis if you've been using their product for over 3 months or more. So we decided to go ahead and do that. But in doing so, we couldn't find any obvious link that would take us to how to do that. So on the Nutrafol website, we went to the contact page, filled in the fields, and just in the message field, just let them know that we had been using this for 5 months. There was 2 of us, man and woman, and we would like to get the hair analyzed. We also said we'd been buying it off of Amazon, that we could provide the receipts. So the person who was in the contact sent it back to us. They either verified that we had made purchases or they just believed what we said, don't know. But they did send us the hair analysis kit. It's very streamlined. My husband and I each got one of these. So this is how to do it. So ultimately, this is where the sample will go. The instructions on how to collect the sample, how much size, is right here. So fairly self-explanatory. It's going to be snail mail, old school. They are wanting to know if the either a treatment or a conditioner on it. They're going to need to make allowances for any additional ingredients they might find that don't make any sense. They are asking for a date. I think what I'm going to be doing is giving them both a date and the name of the product. Now, apparently, you have the option of sending in head hair or pubic hair, which makes sense. If you're trying to grow your hair, you don't want to sample it from off of your head. And I'm really, really glad that they have this, but I'm really glad that this is not an obvious thing. So yeah, I don't know what they need to hear. I don't have a healthcare practitioner information for hair, so I don't know what I'm going to fill in here. But it does give you instructions on what to do. You're going to be washing your hands. You're going to use some clean scissors. I'd put alcohol on them. Cut the hair as close to the scalp or wherever you're harvesting. They're asking you to get the first inch closest to the skin. They clearly want to get what has been grown as a result of exposure to the Nutrafol nutrition. They're telling you to repeat it 4 times, so I assume they mean little snippets, because ultimately they're going to want to use this as a guide of how much to get. And you'll go ahead and just put the sample in a little plastic bag, name, sample, date, and you must sign it and date it. And then, this is actually very unusual, they send you a self-addressed stamped envelope so it doesn't cost you a thing. Very old school, but pretty easy to do. So there you have it.